Today I'm talking about posture products that claim to be able to pull your shoulders back so that your posture can improve. And I'm going to be talking about that right now. Welcome back, and if this is your first time, my name is Ashley Osier and I'm the posture specialist. If you are interested in improving your posture, decreasing pain, and enhancing your overall wellness, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so how does it feel? Does it feel like it's doing anything? Does it feel like it's pulling your shoulders back, or?
Not really, no.
No? What does it feel like it's doing?
It's just tight here.
It's just tight around your barrel.
Yeah.
I also recommend that you do this in front of a mirror. It is going to go around the waist. Look at that. Look at the amount of give there is on that. My shoulder's coming forward. There's nothing that's pulling that back. Okay. Here is the other one. This is the Posture Control Shoulder Brace. This is a medical grade professional orthopedic model. It's supposed to guard against slumping the shoulders, preventing strain and fatigue due to repetitive workplace tasks. A simple buckle fastening for easy application and removal. So we are going to check and see if all those things are true. How does this feel?
Okay.
How does it feel differently than the other one?
I feel it more in my shoulders.
You feel this one more in your shoulders.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you feel?
Just that it's moving forcing my shoulders.
It pulls your shoulders back more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If my shoulders are rounded, do I feel like my shoulders are going to go back? I don't. As you can see, there is a lot that needs to take place in order for these products, these posture products, to work. That is why the 3-Lock Mountain Fitness, that is why the 3-Lock Mountain is the best exercise and stretch that you can do to improve your posture. This is something you can do 24/7. You don't need to wear anything. I'm not saying that there aren't some things that you can wear that will help to hook you into being in good posture, or to make the corrections that you need to make. What I'm saying is, the more we can actively and intentionally train ourselves to correct our posture and to know our bodies well enough to know what needs to be corrected, the more long-term benefits and results you are going to see. and it's going to make a massive difference in your life. The 3-Lock Mountain is going to change your life if you have postural discrepancies, posture dysfunctions. Definitely check out that video. I will have that link at the end of this video so that you can check that out. Learn it, live it 24/7. 3-Lock Mountain Fitness is definitely the way to go. Some posture products might be really helpful. I'm still looking for them. If you are a company who has a posture product, get in contact with me. Let me check your product out. If it's something that I think will really help my clients, my students, my followers, subscribers, family members, acquaintances, and colleagues, I definitely will let them know, and I'd love to hear about it. Connect with me. I will have my email in the drop box down below. And if you're in the process of putting together a product and you want to partner up with me to kind of figure out what works and what doesn't, you can contact me as well. I'd love to come up with products that will be really beneficial and effective long term for everyone of all ages. If you have not followed me on my other social media platforms, check them out. The Posture Specialist on my Instagram. I have membership tiers now on Patreon that you can check out. Again, I will have those links in the drop box down below, so you'll want to check those out. I have more videos at the end here, so make sure and check those out, and I will see you there. Happy posturing.